Hello everyone. In this part we will see next program, that is write a C program to find the transpose of a given matrix. Transpose of a matrix means what? See, if A and B are the two matrices, okay, and the rows of the matrix A will become columns in matrix B. Okay, so at that time we can say this as a transpose of given matrix. See here, if A and B are two matrices such that the rows of the matrix B are the columns of the matrix A, then matrix B is said to be transpose of matrix A. See, suppose here is the one matrix 7, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is your zeroth row, this is your first row. Suppose consider this is a matrix A and this is matrix B. Okay, B is a transpose of A when the rows of A will become the columns in. See, here 7 and 4. This 7 and 3 is the first row. Here 7 and 3 will become the first column. Similarly, here 4 and 5. This is second row. But in this B, this 4 and 5 is second column. Okay, so this row will become the column inside this resultant matrix. So in this way you can calculate the transpose of given matrix. So you just need to add, see, this row will become the column. When you are printing this matrix 7, 3, 4, 5, at that time we are using the statement printf percentage A of I, J. And when we will print the transpose of a given matrix, at that time we will print first J, means we will first the column, it will print the column and then a row. So let's execute this program on online compiler. So start this program. Hash include stdio.h. This is standard input output header file. Then start your program. As you know that every C program having a main function, it's compulsory to do the main function. You need to write all these things inside the main only. Okay, so here we want one matrix of order m by n. Okay, you need two variables for the loop and we need one matrix. You can consider 2 by 2 or 3 by 2, any matrix you can consider here, or you can declare the maximum spaces here, and we will accept from the user number of rows and number of columns. So here give the message to the user, enter the size of matrix. You can write that is m cross n. Okay, so write here, then read it from the user scanf. So you need to write here %d, number of rows, number of columns. Okay, so address of m, comma, address of n, number of rows and number of columns will read from the user. Okay, then right here is the message, printf accept m by accept m cross n elements in matrix. Okay, so we'll accept the element in the matrix. So for this we need to write the for loop for I equals to 0, I less than. We are writing here I less, strictly less than. Why? Because it starts, because array index always starts from the 0. So we'll write the number of rows. Okay, so let's write the number of rows. So this is your for loop. Inside this for loop, we'll write once again. For loop to maintain the columns, j equals to 0. Then j less than n. Here we will write the n because n is number of columns. J plus this. Okay. And here we will read the value one by one. Scanf %d, comma, address of a of I j. Okay, read the value. Address of a of I j. Scanf %d address of a of I j. First read the value. Then after that we will print first this matrix. Okay, so we'll just copy all these things and paste here. Here display matrix A. Here is the display matrix A. Display matrix A. Okay. So display the matrix element here. So right here print f %d. Okay. Here we will do the space, horizontal space. Okay. Then see, it will print a of ij. For I equals to 0, it will print the j equals to 0 also and j equals to 1 also. Okay. And after that, when we want to go to the next line, here I will write the printf /n. Okay. So you will get the remaining element on a next line. So /n, right here /n. Okay. So finish this. Then after this, here we will display the transpose of the given matrix. Now you have your matrix. Now here a display transpose of given matrix. Okay, here we will display the transpose. Then here also add the new line, so it will look better. Okay, I equals to 0, I less than m, I plus plus. Okay, see now this matrix is with you. Okay, now we want to display this matrix row to column. So how to convert it? See, here is a of I j. So first we are writing this I equals to 0, j equals to 0. Then at that time we are writing this element in this order. So let's change it. Write this row position element and here write the column position. See, make the row to the column. See here I of I j. I is row, j is column. Here first write the column and then write the row. And just check this program. Just click on a run to run this code. We'll check for the errors. Hope so. See, there is no any error. So enter the size of the matrix. Suppose the matrix of size 3 rows and 2 columns. Okay, 3 rows and 2 columns. So we need to accept the 6 elements. So add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like a 6 element. See, your matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Display the matrix. So this is your matrix. Okay, in the form of rows. Okay, so display these rows into the column. Okay, display these rows into the column. So you will get the matrix. So see, this is j equals to j and here is I. See, something went wrong. So first we will check once again. Again click on a run. So we'll check for this into the size of the matrix m by n. Suppose the matrix of order 2 by 2. Okay. So accept the m by n elements in the matrix. So we need the 4 elements. 4, 5, 7, 8. Okay. So see. For you, first row will become the first column. Then second row will become the second column. Once again we will check this run. Suppose it is a 3 by 3, 3 by 3, 3 rows and 3 columns. Then accept the m by n elements 3 by 3 means you need now 9 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Enter the 9 elements. So you will get this matrix. This is the matrix. This is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is your matrix. So this 1, 2, 3, this is the row will become the column here. Then second row will become the second column. Third row, here is the third column. So in this way you can calculate the transpose of given matrix in C program. Just you need to mention C, take the size properly, so you will get the J to R, because here we are making the row to column. So you need to take care of this. You need to take the size properly, so you will get the correct output. Thank you.